Hey, Riddle here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're a subscriber. We've hit over 7,000 subscribers, and I'm very humbled by that, so thank you very much. So I'm going to show you something, I don't know, I've never seen anyone else who's done this, but we've been doing this an easy 10 years now, and the idea is so simple, but yet it's really cool, and that is cutting boxes. And what cutting boxes are is you just keep a couple containers. We choose kind of window box shape or shallow, large, flat containers because cuttings don't need really deep soil. And we fill them with good soil, and then we put them in a kind of shady place where they're protected. And when we're working in the yard, we will take cuttings of this or that, or if we're out and about town and we see something, don't have that, we'll take a little cutting from it. We were driving down the road a couple weeks ago, and there were these amazing passion flowers. It's kind of like a pinkish orange color in bloom, and we jumped out of the car on the side. It was like along a highway, and we cut a bunch of cuttings from them, and now they're rooting. So what cutting containers allow you to do is not just propagate things you don't already have, and you're going to be out in your garden every day already watering and babying stuff. So I have my container of rooting powder out here in my shed, close to the rooting containers, but you can root things and pot them and then share them with people and share them with your friends, and it's a nice way of that's the gardener's wealth, is sharing plants and sharing things that other people don't have. And that way sometimes your plants may die, but you can go back to that person that you shared with and get a cutting. So it's as simple as this. This, I think, was actually like a dishwashing container I got at the thrift store that, like they use in restaurants. And then this is just a plain window box I had a coupon at Kmart's and got like 20% off or 30% off. And everything you see in here, there's salvia, datura, this kind of perennial impatient. There's the passion flower vine I was telling you about, camellias. There's all kinds of stuff stuck in here. And then once it roots, it will be transplanted into these little containers, and then I'll either transplant that into my garden, or I will share it with a friend or someone else who is interested in gardening, or you can sell them. It's a great way to propagate plants and sell them if you want a money-making hobby. I live in a place now that is not easily accessed by people by the road. We have a pretty private setup here. But when I lived in Los Angeles, I sold plants out of my house, and I made some nice change, real nice change. So that's it. Get your cutting box going today. If you're someone who gardens a lot and enjoys growing plants, it's so easy, and it's one of those things that's like, why didn't I think of that already? So do it. Okay. Thank you for coming to my channel. If you like my quick, many exciting tips, home improvement projects, art, and occasional magic, please subscribe. It helps. And I want you to please take care of yourselves today. Eat well, be kind to yourself, listen to yourself speak. That means no ifs, all whens, and be cool to people on the street. No matter how bad your day is, I always believe that an attitude is like trash, and you don't want to throw your trash out in public. So treat everyone with respect out there, and it will make a kinder world for all of us. Bye.